Good morning everybody. Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be working on the G87. Little front end facelift action. So we're gonna be replacing the kidney grills with the Adro style kidney grills. We're gonna be doing the Stradale design insert back here to protect the trans cooler, and that is a bolt-in application. And then we're also doing the carbon bumper inlets by Sencal Motorsport. They sent out some beautiful ones for us to upgrade the car with. And here's everything laid out right here to show you a little bit of what we got. So Adro style grill, this in my opinion is the best looking grill for this car. One thing is for certain, it makes a pretty big statement. Like, you either hate it or you love it because it is so different from the factory ones. Now the other ones that I do like are the single slat style. I think those look really good too, but ultimately I decided to go with the Adro just because I think that they're the most unique looking ones for this car, and it just kind of gives a throwback to the older generation BMWs. I just think it looks really, really good. So these right here are the LCI 2025 M2 OEM badges. However, a slight issue, if we're going to run the front badge, it's a lot bigger than the surface area on the actual grill. So not sure if that's gonna work. I might be able to cut this thing up and make it work. I'm not totally sure what I'm gonna do there. We can just take the factory one and swap it. That's an easy swap. And then these are the bumper inlets from Sencal Motorsport. They sent these out. They also sent out another set of grills, but they just weren't my favorite, so I decided to go with these ones instead. But shout out to those guys. That I work with them a lot on these cars, and I'll have all of this stuff linked down below. Sencal parts, Adro parts. I got these from R44 Performance, the LCI badges, and then of course the Stradale piece that bolts right in. So there's another company, I think it's Zunsport, that makes a similar mesh grill. It's a smaller mesh though, so it lets in less air, and it isn't a bolt-in application. This isn't like an OEM whole bolt-in application from Stradale. Stradale also makes my lip. I just really like the way that they do their stuff. It's very good fitting, and it looks really nice. So we're gonna roll with that. I think it's gonna be a good application. Oh, and then lastly, we also have the paint matched reflectors, which everyone is just giving me so much heat for online because they're still orange. But yeah, it's gonna make a big difference to this front end, man. These grills are gonna change everything with the M2. And like I said, you know, some people hate them, some people love them, but I think they look really good. So let's get to it. We're gonna pop the hood, lift up the car a little bit, and start pulling off the bumper. All right, so for the kidney grills, you just have a series of clips all the way around. I'm gonna start with that because that's the easiest. And yeah, I'm just gonna work those out with a trim tool. Should be able to pop the whole thing out this way, come out this way. we got the grill in. It's just one little push pin over here that you pop out. Push pin over here, kind of hard to see. And then it protects your trans cooler, which is nice. It's got larger mesh, got rubber up top, keep it protected. Nice piece by Stradale. Easy install too. Yo, good morning. It is a new day, literally just about to head to the gym, and I gotta wrap this video up. But yeah, we just finished up everything yesterday. Man, this looks crazy. So like I said, the Adro is not gonna be for everyone. It's definitely a statement maker because it's so different from the G8X, the G87 grills. But I gotta say, man, I really like it. It just gives it like a fresh and unique look to the front end. It's really just more like an F-Series front end BMW with those kidney grills. And I think it's a nice switch up, man. I think it's really, really cool. You know, with all of these cars, the 1 Series is a perfect example. This car's been through like 35 different versions until I land on something I really like. So it takes time to really figure out like what your vision is sometimes with these cars. Like I have a vision, but I want to try things out to see what I like the best. And I think that's really how you end up with like the perfect product in the end that you're super, super happy with. You have to try things out. And sometimes it doesn't work out, but this time I'm fairly certain this is the one for me. There are some things that I might change though. So we're going to talk about that next. But overall, really, really love all of the products and everything on the front end. Adro front grille, Sencal bumper inserts, the Stradale trans cooler grill is really nice. I love that piece. It's so easy to put on, like factory bolt in. Just really, really cool. All we had to do is unbolt the front sensor on the top and it just slides right in. It's really, really nice. So I think with the aggression and everything, with the grills and the Stradale front lip and the Sencal bumper inserts, like this is just so clean. And then of course the paint matched reflectors just look so much better all together. So much cleaner all around. I'm really, really happy with it. I ended up doing the OEM badge up front, and I think that ultimately that is the right call, especially if I'm gonna do like silver wheels. I think that's gonna make a lot of sense. But the one thing that I do think I am going to change, I'm considering painting these grills piano black. Losing a little bit of the carbon up front, I'm just not sure. I gotta sit with this for a little bit, like kind of feel out the carbon. Like the carbon doesn't look bad. It just is a lot of carbon in my opinion. And I kind of want to see what this would look like if I decided to go with piano black. Like think of the F8X front grills, something like that. You know, it just looks really, really clean when it's in all black. And I think that that will do a good job of sort of splitting up some of the carbon, because there is a lot of carbon going on this front end. The design, in terms of the design though, I love the front grille. I think that this is the one to go with. I think it looks really, really good. It's not the cheapest, I will say that right now, but it's really, really nice. It's a good quality, it looks good, fits perfectly, really don't have any complaints about it. Adro is known for really good quality stuff, and yeah, it looks fantastic. I mean, it's definitely a switch up. Like I'm gonna have to get used to it a little bit. We went out to dinner last night and I walked up to the car and I was like, man, it just looks so different. Like I'm still trying to get used to the vertical slats on the front, but it looks really, really good. I think if I didn't run these, like I would just keep them factory, honestly. And I would just run like the bumper inserts down there and just call it a day. But I do think that the front grills, they do a really good job of sort of splitting up a lot of the lines up front, because the factory grills are horizontal lines and these ones are vertical, and they have a little bit more flow with the way that the bumper is designed. So there's quite a few things that I think just make sense with this front grille. And honestly, after I saw the pictures of it and sort of like A-B'd a bunch of different style of grills, like put them up next to each other, I couldn't unsee these for some reason. Like these were the ones that really stood out to me. So ultimately I was just like, we got to try them out, just see how they are. Don't think I'm going to keep them carbon though. That's just me being honest. I think that's a lot of carbon up front. If you like carbon, this looks really good, but there's a lot of carbon up front and it's just screaming a bit too aftermarket for me. I think it would look really clean in piano black. That or like black sapphire, like paint matching it. I think piano black is going to be the way to go though. The front ducts were kind of a pain in the ass. I'm not going to lie to you guys. There's a lot of work to make those fit right. Ultimately, I did get them to fit right, but it took a lot of work. You have to really get in there and put on extra adhesion and use extra 3M. I have to apologize. You guys probably saw in the video, this car is filthy. It's about to snow here in North Carolina, so they oversalt everything. And you know, of course I just get the car detailed and the day after it's just full of salt, but whatever, it is what it is. So we'll have to get a proper wash here once the snow leaves us. But yeah, tell me what you guys think, man. Are you into it? Adro style. It's definitely different. Not for everybody. I knew that this one would sort of be a hit or miss thing for people. You know, it also creates a lot of aggression up front. And right now this car is pretty stock. Like there's not really a lot going on. I just dropped it, put some spacers on, haven't really done much to it. So I think once we add things like wheels, you know, whatnot, it's gonna look a lot better. It's gonna be more of like a complete package. But all in all, really happy with everything. Like always, you guys, everything I use in these videos, I'm gonna have them linked down below. I've got the build sheet, everything, all of the parts that I put on these cars, always linked in the description. So tell me what you guys think. Are you a fan of the Adro? Should we paint it black? Or do you wanna stick with the carbon? Yeah. I don't know. Ultimately, I am going to stick with these badges, the factory ones. I just think that they fit this car the best. The LCI ones are cool, but I don't know. I feel like it's too much black. I want to split some of this black up a little bit, and I know the wheels will do that, but I think having that badge in the silver up front is a really nice contrast, and it's a bit more classic. And I think once we make these piano black, dude, it's going to look so good. I'm not going to paint them right away. I am going to live with them in carbon for a while because I think it looks cool. It's just different, you know? But it is a lot of carbon, so your boy's got to get used to it. But that is going to wrap this one up, you guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. Tell me what you think of the front end transformation. Oh, it looks so good. No more orange reflector. It looks really nice. But that'll do it for this one, you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.